This is a 2013 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT with a 3.6 liter V6. And after driving a few days ago, I started to smell coolant on the front of the vehicle. And it started to overheat about a week later. Didn't get too far up, but when I popped the hood, I could hear some sizzling back here behind the engine. Couldn't quite see where it was coming from, but I could hear sizzling. And after kind of popping open that engine case and getting back in there when it was hot, realized it was the heater hose assembly, those heater hose lines that have coolant that were cracking. They're plastic lines and they crack over time. So I'm just going to show you how these heater hose assemblies work. Now what you're going to see in here is actually the new heater hose assembly lines. I already have them in here. So they attach in one place right here. They have these clamps on every end, and it runs down to this Y joint, and then in one angle it takes this bend to the left and connects with another clamp. Then the other end of the Y joint hits this Y right here and hits another clamp. This bend goes up into the firewall, into the interior, and then there's another hose that goes up into the interior. And I'm just going to bend the camera here so you can see where those go in. There's two entry points into the firewall, and those at the end of those, it's all the same clamps. It's the same clamps on every end. So if you just have some channel locks, it's pretty simple to pull off the old one with all those clamps, and then when you put the new one on, all these clamps are actually held on by these metal clips where you just slide them on, and then you got to pull those metal clips off, and then it tightens the clamps. It's really simple. If you get lucky, there's a chance that one of these Y joints cracked, and you can actually just replace the Y joint. But a lot of times it's better just replace the whole assembly. And this little elbow, this 90-degree elbow down here, is the hardest part of the whole thing. But you can do it, save you a couple $100.